Hello, do you know your 6 times table? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So this is your 6 times table and I've drawn it out to give you save you some time. So 6 times table, all it means is we're counting up in multiples of 6. Okay, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 like that. So let's say the 6 times table together. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now the best way to learn it, just like all the other times tables, is just cross off one of these numbers and then you would have to memorise what number is the one that I just crossed off. So in this case it goes 6, 12, 18. Then you keep going on and then once you've done it again, rub another number off and keep cycling that pattern until all the numbers are gone. And then you'll memorise your 6 times table. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye!